our goal is to create an instance, to create an elastic IP, and we need to link the instance with the elastic IP, and we need to put this IP address in DNS in A records, and finally our goal is to install the certificates, and we need to put our website inside the Nginx server. This is our goal. So this I already have taken several classes, but again I'm going to say you because got an error in last class, so I'm repeating it. Launch an instance. After launching an instance, we need to wait. We need to follow the process. Our instance is web server 1. We need to refresh it. The things which is so it is running. We need to wait until the status checks getting 2 tick marks. If we are doing without waiting, we'll get some issues, so let's wait for it is getting 2 tick marks. So we need to wait until we are getting 2 tick marks. This status check should be checked properly. So let's wait for that, and by the time I will show you some Linux commands which we are going to do. These are the commands we are going to do. We are going to do an nginx installation. We are going to install the certificate. We are going to remove the default folder which is in var www.html. Then we are going to install the new our website which is in github. We are using git cloud command. We will install the website. These are the simple steps we are going to do in this class. So before going to that, we need to just refresh it. It is still installing, so we need to wait, because without installing, if I'm creating an elastic IP, sometimes we are getting an issue, so we need to wait. Okay, good, this 2 check is passed. Now we need to create a elastic IP. To create an elastic IP, just we want to click here, associate IP address, associate whatever name, but which is related to our website name, it will be fine. So you need to associate our IP address. Just associate. We need to associate with the IP address which we created, web server 1. After associating with this IP address, just go to our instance. Our instance name is this one, web server 1. Okay, just we will connect and see. Yes, fine. The web server has created properly. So we need to this is our public IP. We need to link this public IP with our hoster zone. So how to do is route 53. Click on route 53. Then what we are going to click is we want to click on hosted zones. We are going to do in nest, that is nextgen.uk. See this, how to create this hosted zone I have teach you in my last class. If you don't remember, just a quick refresh. Just click on create hosted zone. Here you need to give hosted zone.uk. Once you click, you will be getting this all the name services. Then you will link your A record which you got in the elastic IP. When you create elastic IP, you link this elastic IP with our instance, right? That you need to link it. Save. After doing this, go to our dashboard. Click on the hosted zones, not hosted zone. We have linked our elastic IP with the hosted zones. Just refresh it. Click here. Then check this. Our elastic IP is 54 point. This is the elastic IP. Then what we want to do is we want to go to our instance, that is EC2. click on this EC2. Once you click on this AC2, you want to click on the instance. Once you click on the instance, you need to click here and click on security. You need to allow port HTTP, HTTPS. If you are using MySQL port also, you need to allow. This is very, very, very important thing. So what you need to click, you need to go here. You want to click here and you want to click on edit inbound roles. And here you want to put HTTP. First we are allowing HTTP port. This is 00 means we are allowing for all. Then we are allowing HTTPS. Okay, this is also internet 0.0.0/internet. It means globally anybody can access this route. So then we are going to outbound rules. Then we are going clicking on edit. Then anyway all traffic is there, no need to do, but just I'm showing you how to do in outbound also. So SSH, then add, then HTTP, then add, then HTTPS, then add, then finally save the rules. After saving the rules, what we need to do, you want to go to instance, then you want to click here, connect, SSH, copy this, go to, if you are a Windows user, go to git bash. Since I'm a Linux user, I'm just going to my terminal. So I have connected with my server. Once you connected with your server, just to open the commands which I have shared with you. The commands are, these are the commands. Both you open parallelly so that we can, it is easy for us to work. So first we will, the first command I am just doing this, sudo apt update. This is the correct command, update. So after clicking the sudo apt update, then you want to install nginx. So we need to wait. Then I am installing here nginx. After installing the nginx, I need to know the version of the nginx. I need to start the nginx. These are the commands which we want to do. So let's wait. So I'm seeing the version of my nginx. The version of nginx is 1.1.8.0. So now I'm going to see my status of nginx. So this is the command to see the status, and to come out I'm giving a command known as q. Then I'm start this command, just I'm saying to start nginx you need to use this command known as start. Go to terminal, here started, nginx is started. Then what we are going to do is we are going to install a certificates. To install the certificates we need to follow these commands. So we need to click here. Then since this is not the important command, if it is not executing, don't worry about it. Then come to next command and execute it. Then come to next command and execute it. Then we need to come to this command and execute it. Then come to this command and execute it. Then come to this command and execute it. One minute. So we are getting an issue with the commands, not and worry. So we'll go here and we'll execute these commands, and I'll update my notes also. So actually here I missed to put a colon. That is the issue. That's it. So what we need to do is, so it is asking the email address to enter. So I'm entering the email address manjushamag@gmail.com. And next it is asking we need to install, we are agreeing with it. You need to click S. So after that we need to install and enter the name of the domain which we are going to put our certificate. That is, this is the domain. Great. The certificate has installed successfully. So after we install the certificate, it is very easy commands. Next all others are. So to install this, after installing the certificate, what we need to do is we need to we need to see our nginx default files. To see nginx default files, this is the index dot, this is the default file of nginx. If you want, we can go to our server. Okay, we'll go here, we'll copy this, we'll copy here and put it. So the nginx default folder is, this is the one, welcome to nginx, this all blah 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 is there. So what we need to do, we need to remove this file and we need to install our website. This is our goal, remove this file and install our website. To do that, what we can do to remove this file and to install the website, these are all the commands we need to run. This is to remove sudo, this is the command to remove the website which is default folder, sudo rmrf folder. Then the folder which is inside here, we are removing it. After removing it, we want to check whether it is removed